Hey there, how you doing? I'm Pooja Mishra and I'm zooming in on the LGBTQ community whole of this month of Pride. The universal statement that's being echoed is, where is the love? Well, the LGBTQ community is not as invisible as it once was, but we still have miles to go. There are many legal and social hurdles that still need to be overcome so that we can be like the West in terms of equality. But change often starts with the individual before it permeates into the society at large. So we decided to speak to a couple of LGBTQ Indians and got them to share their coming out story. Trust me, it wasn't easy because none of them were ready to own up in front of the camera. But I did find a courageous few. After all, that's where it all starts. When you say, this is me, no more hiding. Nobody should be persecuted for being born a certain way or for loving somebody. Well, I hope this series inspires young LGBTQ Indians to come out and love themselves for who they are. So here's celebrating the ones who are being vocal about their coming out stories and praying for strength for those who are not.
Hi, my name is Suruj and I'm a trans woman. Happy Pride Month to all of you. And thank you so much, Pooja Mishra ma'am, that you are standing for LGBTQ community. It's really mean a lot. And being a trans woman, it's really hard to live in this country like India because parents are not supportive, parents are not accepting. In fact, I came on 2014 and everyone was against because of my gender, why you are doing all these things. So I request all of you to support trans kids and educate them. तभी वो कुछ आगे कर पाएंगे. So please इस प्राइड मंथ आप सबसे यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप अपने बच्चों को जितना हो सके सपोर्ट कीजिए because trans women are women, not alien.
Hi. So my coming out story it's rather interesting. Well, I'm Adam Pasha. I'm Karnataka's first drag queen, one of the first members of the LGBT community to enter the Kannada Big Boss season 6. Well, my coming out story was very, very different from others. I came out on national television, and I never knew at that time there was there were video cameras and everything around me. I thought it's just, for the event. But it so happens I was on the 9 o'clock news and I was thrown out of my house.
Hey guys, this is Amit, the fashion designer, and you know that for the Indian society it is very much hard to accept the LGBT community people. So I think that when I came out in the open about my sexuality, so it was definitely not so easy for me because the society in general still does not grant the acceptance to this community people because they called us weird or bizarre and kind of a desperate according to their own perception. They judge this community people, but to be very honest, I really don't care and I don't give a damn because everyone have the different perceptions. But as long as I accept myself that I am who I am, so I think that I am a loveful, peaceful soul.